Shower cubicle cleaning, including shower head. Before you start work, check the appropriate safe system of work, including the chemical safety datasheet, COSH assessment and risk assessment before commencing the task. Ventilate the area where possible. Clean your hands as per the local policy. Check for cuts and abrasions and cover with a waterproof dressing if required. Select, check and put on the appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment. Please refer to the National Standards for Healthcare Cleanliness. Assemble the colour-coded equipment and/or machinery. Using appropriate PPE, prepare the approved cleaning disinfecting agent according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place the caution signs. Ensure cleaning, chemicals and disinfecting agents are kept safely locked away, either in the trolley or cleaning cupboard at all times, including in between tasks. Check for any damage to the area and report it in line with your local policy. If you notice any signs of pest infestation, report it as required. Tools you'll need for shower cubicle cleaning are caution signs, appropriate PPE as per your risk assessment, bucket with cleaning disinfecting agent, cloths or disposable cloths, bucket of water with descaling agent. We'll now talk you through how to clean a shower cubicle. Make sure the work area is safe. Please follow the local water management policy. Clear all objects from the cubicle. Check the integrity of the shower curtain and date. Change in line with local policy. If descaling, disconnect the shower head and place in the descaling solution. If using a filter between the shower head and the hose, do not remove the shower head routinely. In some cases, a disposable shower head is used. Refer to your local policy. Remove any dirt or debris from the drain or overflow with gloved hand or tweezers in line with your local policy. Remove your gloves, clean hands and put on fresh gloves to continue. Clean the hose and soap tray. With a clean cloth or cloth side, clean the controls, taps, buttons first. Then with a clean cloth, starting from the top to the bottom, from the outside to in, damp wipe all shower cubicle surfaces using an S-shaped motion. Dry the shower cubicle with a clean dry cloth. Remove the shower head from the descaling solution if used. Rinse in clean water and reconnect. Reinstate the area for use when all items are dry. When you've finished, check all areas are completed, correctly dispose of or clean materials used as per your local policy. Always check with your supervisor if you're unsure. Dispose of any waste or debris as per your local policy. If you're using cleaning disinfecting agents, ensure you lock them away safely. Clean and dry all the equipment. Clean and remove the caution signs when the area is safe and dry. Store the equipment safely. Charge battery or machinery as per the manufacturer's instructions. Correctly dispose of all PPE. Clean your hands. Close the ventilation where necessary.